Beardsley, oh yes! It's a beautiful goal from Peter Beardsley. He spotted Watsek, the keeper, off his line.
Toure. Off goes Henry. He's got support, he doesn't need it! Thierry Henry with a moment of wonderful quality.
Henry, what a goal!
Have a look at one of the greatest goals I've seen on this ground. That's deliberate, that's majestic.
Here he comes, Kubilas drives it in, and it's a goal! Well, Kubilas, brilliant third goal for Peru. Scotland in absolute disarray from that free kick.
Here's Lampard. Comes out to Essien! Look at this, admire a strike of unbelievable quality, unbelievable, unstoppable, unsavable. Played off by Ravanelli to Emerson. What a goal! Rooney,
Wayne Rooney might be coming off for Manchester United. A little knock in the first half. Now here's Rooney! Oh my goodness me! That is one of the strikes of the season! Absolutely brilliant! Fantastic from Wayne Rooney!
that's just stunning, absolutely stunning.
Taking the title race further. Nakamura! His first Old Firm goal! And typically, it's a beauty!
Well, what a marvellous finish this is.
Steiner allowed to just hit at that ball without a challenge, and then the driven shot! What a goal! Paul Pogba breaks the deadlock in the 41st minute. Let's have another look at this.
Ahí está el tiro de esquina cerrado, golazo. Gol!
Reset to Gerrard. Gerrard! Oh, what about that? That was really special from the Liverpool captain.
Ilana, Maicon wants it, gets it, will bring it in and drives it in! What a goal! It was going to take something special, and Maicon has just produced it.
Try 1-2 from Costa, he can open it up here. Oscar's available on the angle, spun it brilliantly. That's a magnificent finish. A gifted player with a gilt-edged finish. Magnificently spun him with the outside of his foot.
Está no ataque Portugal, Ronaldo, Quaresma, bom toque Quaresma, espetacular, grande Ronaldo, mas que golo de Ricardo Quaresma, espetacular o golo de Quaresma de Trivela, ouçam bem o que eu vos digo, é golo!
Quaresma, is he going to bend one in the air? Quaresma! Oh, yes! What a goal! Magnificent goal by Quaresma. Look at how he rearranged that ball to get that on his right foot, and he just clipped it over.
Dat in het wit speelt Lange tijd zal het 0-0 blijven tot de 88ste minuut.
Quaresma. Quaresma. Quaresma! Quaresma! Ayağının dışıyla böyle vurulur bu topa.
Bunun gibi birçok golü var ama
sağ ayağının dışı. İnanılacak gibi değil.
Van Buiten. Müller! 78. Minute.
It's a 30-yard free kick with a 20-yard run-up.
Dear, dear, I don't believe it. What a goal we have just seen from Roberto Carlos. That is amazing.
Well, that was what was missing in Euro 96. That is quite incredible.